we are going to see enum structure. Enum actually it is a user defined data type. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Delhi. So there are two types of user defined data type in C language. One is a type dep, another is a enum. Enum means enumerated data type. Now enum is a user defined data type. Okay, it is mainly used to assign names to integral constant. Now instead of integer constant, if we assign the names to the constants, then what will happen? It makes program easy to read and maintain. This is the main aim of the enum data type. It assign names to the integer constant or integral constants. Now let us see the syntax for defining the enum structure. Now this is a syntax: enum flag inside the curly bracket, constant 1, constant 2, constant 3 dot 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 up to the constant n. Okay, here enum is a keyword, flag is a name of enum structure or name of enum data type, and these are the values, constant values, but it given the name. Now let us see the example. Here enum is a keyword, week is a enum name or user defined data type name week. Then here three values or three constants: Monday, month, Tuesday and Wednesday. Now in this manner we can declare the enum user defined data type, or this is another way. Enum, it is a user keyword, it is a enum structure name, and it is enum variable. In this manner also we can define the enum structure, or we can define alternate way to this is a enum week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and day. Day is a variable of that structure. Okay, this is a, instead of using these two lines, we can use instead of this in the single line. Okay. Now let us see the examples of enum. Now here a header file is included. Now here enum is a keyword, week is a enum name, and here these are the values or constants: Monday to Sunday, 7 constant values. Now here main function is defined. Here enum weekday, we have defined the variable of enum structure. Now here day is equal to Wednesday, WED, we have stored this value. Now always remember that in the values are starting from 0. This is a value 0, this is a 1, this is a 2. Okay, so here when we are printing the value day having the WED constant, then this statement will print the value 2, so that this program having the output 2. Okay, and the explanation part, if we can say that in this above example, day is as the variable and then value of Wednesday is allocated to day, which is 2, so as result 2 is printed. Okay, this is the first example. Now let us see next example. Now here enum keyword, year is a enum name, and here all the 12 months are defined as a constants. Now here int main, int I. Now if we have to display the values of all these constants, then here I equal to Jan, this first member or first value, to the I less than equal to December, this is a last value. Okay, and I plus plus, that means it increases by 1. Now if we print this value, printf percentage d I, then it will print all the values from 0, January as a 0 to the up to the December as a 11. Okay, so this is a output of this program. Now when in for loop we are not using curly bracket, we are writing only one statement, then it is automatically considered inside the body of loop. When for loop, while loop or do while loop don't have opening closing curly bracket, then we can say that only one statement is inside the body of loop. Now let us see third example, that is the initialization of enum. Now here enum keyword, here name of enum structure. Now here three constants: working, field and phrase. We have defined the value manually. By default the value is starting from 0, but here value is given 1, here value is given 0, here value is given 0. So when we print the value of these constants, working, field and prints, it is printed as a 100. Why? Because here 100 values are initialized. If this value is not initialized, at that time it can print the result 012, but here values are initialized, so that here what the values are values are printed 100. Okay, so this is from the enum user defined data type. So enum is one of the important user defined data type. I hope that you understand this topic. So let us stop.